Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech and finance topics to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling something super straightforward: how to transfer money from your PayPal account to your bank in 2025. Whether you're a seasoned PayPal user or just getting started, this guide will have you moving funds in no time. Let's jump right in. First off, why bother with this? In 2025, PayPal has made transfers even faster and more secure, thanks to updated features like instant verification and enhanced fraud protection. It's perfect for getting your earnings into your bank quickly for bills, investments, or just treating yourself. Step 1. Log into your PayPal account. Head over to the PayPal website or app and enter your credentials. Make sure you're using a secure connection, always a smart move in today's digital world. Once you're in, navigate to your wallet or balance section. This is usually found on the homepage or in the menu. Here, you'll see your available funds. Look for the Transfer Money or Withdraw option. It's prominently displayed to make things easy. Next, select your bank account. If you've linked it before, it should pop up right away. If not, you'll need to add it by entering your bank's details. PayPal in 2025 supports most major banks with seamless integration, so this should take just a minute. Now, enter the amount you want to transfer. Double-check this to avoid any mistakes. Remember, fees might apply depending on your location and bank. Hit Continue and review the details on the next screen. Finally, confirm the transfer. You'll get a confirmation email or notification once it's done, which could take anywhere from instant to a few business days. And just like that, your money is on its way. There you have it. Transferring money from PayPal to your bank account in 2025 is quicker than ever. If you run into any issues, PayPal's 24/7 support is there to help. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tips. See you in the next video.